Hi there, I'm Francis, and I'm here at Hagen Industries in Montreal, Canada. Fluval is part of the Hagen family of pet products, and I'm here to talk specifically about Fluval SEA supplements, which are formulated and manufactured right here in this plant. Let's go inside and check it out. Hey Yvonne, how's it going?
Hello Francis, how are you?
I'm good,
Welcome back.
Thank you. You formulated and you manufacture the Fluval SEA line here?
Absolutely. We have our own team here, and we have our scientists, we have microbiologists, chemists, we have biochemists also, and everybody worked together to develop this enteral line.
And I know that you have a massive plant here. Mind if you show me around?
Absolutely, let's go.
So, Yvonne, there are a lot of liquids here. What is this thing?
This is where we're batching all of the liquid chemicals, such as Fluval additive for marine. And we have a different stainless steel reservoir where we use the PLC system for measuring, for weight, for all of the process would be here in that area.
So this is one of the areas where you take the actual raw materials, mix it with purified RO, DI water, and turn it into Fluval SEA liquids.
Absolutely. This is where we're going to do all of that, and this is where the lab also will come to take some samples, to go in the lab, to certify each batch, and then all of these production would be transferred in the big plastic reservoir, and the day after would be produced in a packaging.
Can we see what's up here?
Absolutely.
So it looks like each one of these tubs is 4,000 liters.
Yep.
So once there's 32,000 liters of Fluval SEA liquids right here?
Absolutely. This is our capacity right now.
You can treat a huge reef tank with all this stuff. And I see some of these mixers.
Yeah. In this tank, this is where we blend all of our chemicals. And we have the PLC, as I said, and all of these equipment to make sure each batch would be repetitive and conform to our specifications.
So inside here, you're actually making product right now.
Absolutely.
Wow.
This is one of our water conditioners.
Amazing, amazing. So, you know, it's nice to see that Fluval actually comes from real lab. It's really neat.
Yep.
Yvonne, this place is huge. I'm so lost.
Now we are in the laboratory area. Let me introduce you Benoit Chaquet, our lab manager.
Benoit.
He will explain to you the rest of the process and the visit.
Well, thanks for your time so far, Yvonne. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
So, Benoit, what's up?
Well, I think it will be easier to show you around and to explain.
All right.
You know, Francis, there is about 60 to 70 different elements into salt water, marine water. And from those, what we did is we selected the ones that are proven to increase growth rate and improve color of the corals at the same time. So speaking of element, did you know that in Fluval supplements we only use the highest grade available of elements called USP grade?
That's pretty neat. But what about concentrations? I mean, that's what everyone is concerned about. Is there a lot of actual substance inside these bottles?
Well, Fluval supplements are one of the highly concentrated product on the market right now. This is an example. Calcium into a product concentrate contains about 150,000 ppm of calcium. And while in our example, alkalinity, we're going to supply we guarantee 125,000 ppm as calcium carbonate equivalent into our bottle.
That's really, really potent stuff, and that's important when you're dosing in a reef tank. So, Benoit, it's obvious you guys produce a lot of liquid supplementation. How are you able to track and monitor quality assurance?
That is actually something we're very proud here at Hagen, especially for the Fluval SEA supplements. Because everything, while we talked about the high quality ingredient, raw material that comes in, we have paper documentation of all these things as well as electronic documentation. All the steps are recorded, both electronically and hard copy. So if we have any questions, we can always come back to the information that was gathered when the production was made.
So what about keeping actual liquid samples? Do you do that as well for analysis?
Yes, we do. We keep all the material we produce up to 1 year after the expiration date.
That's pretty amazing. So you're saying that, you know, if I have a question on Fluval SEA iodine supplement from 2 years ago, you could pull the liquid sample out of storage?
Correct.
That's really cool. Well, I learned so much today during my tour of Hagen Industries to see how the Fluval SEA supplements were made. If you have any more questions about Fluval SEA supplements, please visit fluvalaquatics.com for more video and great content.